What's up, so let's go in the charts and watch, and I explain you also why we yesterday a pump. Let's watch. So yesterday the pump was because Elon Musk proposed to buy Twitter for original price of $54 a share, even though Twitter was worth around $20. So this was one of the reasons why Bitcoin yesterday pumped. And the second reason was that Russia yesterday allowed international trade in Bitcoin crypto for any industry. So this is what I think other how countries should also do. This was the reason for yesterday's pump, and we made a shit ton of profits as we broke this white line to the upside. We made a lot profits. We made already here profits as we bounced on this line. And I told you, bratans, that if we are breaking here this white line down, or this blue line, this would be huge opportunity for a short, and you see how perfectly they're matching here together. And if you short it from here, then you are in big profits right now, at least 1.5%, 10x, 15, 20x, or 30% in profit. So let us quickly watch 1 hourly. Is oversold, not heavily oversold, but oversold. 15-minute is neutral at the moment, and 4 hourly is cooling down but still overbought. So what could happen here next, bratans? I show you. So in my opinion, a long opportunity I would only do, yes, I mean there are several opportunities to long Bitcoin. We could say, I hope I don't confuse you here with these lines, but I saw right now this line, so I wanted to share with you this line because this is a very interesting line. I mean, we could say either is right now, well, it's not the perfect line, but yeah, it's okay. It's not the perfect line, but we could say either right now is a long opportunity with the stop loss below this white line, which would be here at 19,860 approximately, right? I mean, it depends. When the times go on, it's getting lower and lower, but we could either right now set along with stop loss slightly below this line, or we waiting until we breaking this blue line. I mean, this would be a more safe trade, obviously, if we're breaking this white line to the upside, which would be approximately, let's say, at 20,400, then our first price tag would be around 20,500. The next one would be around 20,800, and the next one would be around 21k. So this could be on all 3%, 10x average 30%, 20x average 60%. But this would be obviously more risky only for professional traders if there's obviously more reward, but more reward option, but also more risk. So if we are right now start to longing, then the first price tag would be 20,073. Next one is 20,138. Next one is around 20,188. Then we have here our white line. It's only dots because not so huge resistance and support anymore. This would be at 20,250, and then we have our blue line, so at 20,359. So on all 2%, 10x edge 20%, 20x edge 40%. And obviously if we're breaking this blue line to the upside around 20,400, we can make even add to our long and go at least to 20,800. So on all this could be 4.2%, 10x edge 42, 20x edge 84. Again, bratans, I don't want to confuse you. Either for professional traders, we could set right now along with the stop loss slightly below this white line, right? So at 90,800 or something like that. It depends. Or we wait for the not professional, semi-professionals, if we're breaking here this blue line and then set along, right? So not financial advice, it's just my opinion. A short opportunity is very obviously if we're breaking this white line to the downside, we can start to short Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, all the altcoins. So if, let's say, if we are breaking here and closing a clear 15-minute candle, I mean here, for example, this red candle and a clear red volume, and we start shorting, let's say here at 19,800, we start shorting. The first price target would be here. I have to zoom out. The first price target, wait a minute. The first price target would be here around 19,644, 19,519, 19,340, and our yellow line at around, wait a minute, at around 19,122. So 3.5% short opportunity and 10x average, 35%, 20x average over 70% short opportunity. Again, Bratans, if we're breaking this white line to the downside, we can set a short with the stop loss above this white line. I set you the price targets for short. A long would be either right now possible with the stop loss slightly below this white line. So at 9,800 or something like that, depends where. Or we make a long when we break here this blue line, which would be very clear sign for long. Not financial advice, do your own research, Bratans. And don't forget, we are trading at the moment at Bybit, and Bybit you get $4,620, which you can use for trading. After initial deposit, you get this money, obviously. If you don't have initial deposit, you can use my affiliate link and still you get free access to my Discord and Telegram channel. I gave you this information, all this information beforehand, before I did this video, because it's faster, right? So, very clear. Let us watch Ethereum right now. Ethereum is here also, is how it called, floating like piece of shit in the toilet. It's just doing what Bitcoin does. So if Bitcoin is pumping, what we are expecting, as long as we're not breaking the white line to the downside, first price tag would be 1,340, next one 1,355, next one 1,360, and then around 1,400. So all in all, 5.3% 10x average, 53, 20x average, or 106% long opportunity. If Bitcoin breaks to the downside, we can start short Bitcoin. Ethereum also first price tag 1,305, 1,290. Next one is 1,276, and then the yellow line at 1,265, 4.7%, 10x average, 47% short opportunity, 10x average, 47%, 20x average, over 94% short opportunity on Ethereum. Also Ethereum you can trade on Bybit or just buying on spot where you might, or just buying on spot, right? So very clear. Let me have a quick watch on S&P 500. S&P 500 dumped, very clear, because we were heavily overbought, and we are still on the 1 hourly slightly overbought. On the 4 hourly we are neutral right now, and on the daily we are also neutral. Let me watch 15 minute. 15 minute is nothing, like here 15 minute is also neutral. So there is also no decision in the market right now in S&P 500. Let's see. But what is much more important is here where I saw it. Wait a minute, or was it on Bitcoin? Wait. Where was it? No, it was on Bitcoin. Wait a minute. I saw on Bitcoin this on the 1 hourly or 15 minute. I don't remember. Wait a minute. It was on the 1 hourly. Also on 15 minute. You see we have a big bullish divergence. I mean, if you measure here from the RSI is going down, you see, but the RSI is obviously here going up. So this is a huge bullish divergence on Bitcoin. So therefore, I expecting here that we could see further pump. And look at this. If you are watched right now the video, you making here right now gains. So it's amazing, Bratan. So we are doing it on Bybit, very clear. I love it. It's crazy, Bratan. It's Slavic Nostradamus, but please, I'm not Nostradamus. It's a joke. Do your own research, Bratans. If you appreciate my work for you, then hit the like button. And tomorrow, if you're following me on Instagram, it will be a very special day for me. If you want, you can join. Also on Twitter. Thank you everyone for hitting the like button. I kiss you and I see you later. Mwah.